Right, let's power it up, and it's not going to boom on me, is it?
No, it won't.
That doesn't sound right. It does sound right.
04.
So, I still got 04, bro.
So I removed it before with the
What you changed?
because at the beginning there was no power to the boiler, so I changed the
Board.
PCB board, and then there was some weird noise coming from the pump, so I changed that as well. That's where I stopped, and I thought I don't know what to do now.
I can't get rid of the phone.
I think you can't hear
Yeah,
that.
brilliant. So error 4 is low pressure.
Yeah, okay. We have pressure up. We've only got one rad working here. The rest have disconnected. So, and there's water in the rad.
Okay, so your boiler, has it got a pressure gauge on the front of it?
No.
It hasn't.
No.
Do me a favour, if you're on site with the boiler, press the middle button and the top right hand button. The middle and top right, both down together for 3 seconds, and then let go after 3 seconds.
Okay, I'll do that now. Hold on. Yeah, it says D0 off.
Oh.
Is the pressure gauge in the middle?
Not nothing. Just says DO and then OF.
D0 OF.
Yeah.
So, which model boiler is it, please?
It's Advanced Plus 25C.
What's your last 4 digits of a serial number?
Serial number.
On the top right hand corner.
0713.
Yeah, 0713.
0713?
Yeah.
So, 0713 did not have a pressure gauge built into it, but in your... Have you changed the board or anything?
Yeah.
Yeah.
You haven't changed the board?
We have changed the board, yeah.
We haven't.
Well, we haven't. The customer already had someone change the board.
Yeah, I think you've got the wrong board, but you definitely got the wrong board because it's saying D0 off, the pressure gauge already built into it. But on 2013, there was no pressure gauge built into it.
Okay.
Let me think. Low water pressure switch. Okay, press and hold the center and the 2 on the right hand side. So the center button and the 2 on the right hand side.
Yeah.
All 3 down together for 10 seconds.
Okay, do that
Till
now.
it shows parameter 1.
Okay, I'm doing it now, mate.
Okay.
Yeah, got it. PRO1.
PRO1. Okay, give me 1 second. Just gonna check one parameter on the system because I think we may be able to fudge it and get it sorted for the customer. Can you scroll up to parameter 2, please, sir?
Okay. Yep, it's on PRO2.
2.
Yep.
2, yeah. Press the center and the top right, both down together for 2 seconds and let go.
Done. 0, 0.
0, 0.
Yeah.
Change that to 0, 1. So press the top right hand button once and let go to 0, 1.
Yeah, done.
Yeah. Press the middle button once and let go very quickly. It's going to show a dodgy OK.
Yeah, got it.
Yeah. 10 seconds, power off to the mains, please. And then 10 seconds, power back on.
10 seconds, okay. How are you anyway? What's going on with the center?
Yeah. So,
Up and running, or
Andy?
is it up and running now, the center?
Yeah, so basically we've actually moved buildings.
That's correct, yeah.
Yeah, we have moved buildings. Training is not being scheduled yet.
Yeah.
I've been promoting myself on this end.
Okay.
And we're all running on 100% capacity.
Cool. Right, it's fired up. Well, we just got 17 at the moment.
Magic, I think you fixed the boiler.
Cool. Rab, you're a top man, mate. I need to come and when I see you next time, I'm gonna be. Yeah. Yeah. Thanks, Vance. Thanks for taking the call, mate. Appreciate it. Thank you, mate. Thank you, mate. Bye-bye. So basically,
Hi guys, welcome to Birmingham Boiler Fix. So today I was asked to repair a Biasi boiler. It's giving a code 04. Now basically what the customer has done before I went there, they've changed the circuit board on it, and I think they bought a reconditioned board on it. Anyway, they asked me, and other than that, they also changed the pump on it too. The customer saying he's making noises and he's done some DIY and he changed the pump himself. It was an elderly people's home and he was a son trying to help his parents out. Fair enough. So he changed the circuit board on it and it wasn't working. And he was giving a flashing code A4 and he was trying to reset it and it didn't work out for him. So anyway, I went down and had a look at it. Code A4 was related to water pressure. Now it didn't have a manual pressure gauge and it had one of those electronics. So I phoned on manufacturers and told me it's got wrong board, but maybe you could recalibrate or reprogram it or something to adjust the settings on it. So we found him the manufacturer and he helped us out with it and we got the boiler sorted for him. So that was a bit of a tricky repair. Thankfully the manufacturers helped us out. So Biasi manufacturers technical line is very good. So if you ever get stuck, give them a call, they'll help you out. But anyway, if your boiler is broken down in Birmingham or South Birmingham, domestic or commercial, we repair all your favourite boilers. So give us a call. Birmingham Boiler Fix.